Yeah, yeah.
Is it pineapple?
Yummy.
That's crazy.
Okay, we're at Captain Cook's at the Polynesian. Yeah, baby. Tasty foods. Great pick. What's this called?
This is the nachos.
This is like the pulled pork nachos. It's got like pineapple in it. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Too good.
It's
Too good.
oh, big surprise. Very, very good. Nice and crunchy.
It has potato chips and like the wonton chips.
They're like kettle cooked chips.
They're so good.
Wow, that's
Come and
good.
get them.
Amazing. Polynesian. Good. Look at this view. You can see the castle and just kids playing all this stuff. Bring the father. Good father, Lace.